Real quick, before we jump into this video, you guys have been absolutely blowing up the Work For It Apparel website. We've got so many orders coming in. We're staying insanely busy, and that's a good problem to have. So I just want to extend a huge thank you to you guys for, number one, helping to spread the Work For It movement, restoring pride in blue-collar work, and showing the next generation that if there's anything they want in this life, they got to be willing to go out there and work for it. If you guys have not checked out the website yet, I would be really honored if you would. WorkForItApparel.com. I'll put the link right here, and it's always down in the description. So thank you so much, guys. Let's roll to this video. What's up and good morning, guys? Welcome back to another video. We are over at Chris's family's house today. Well, we got obviously Chris's truck here. We got Chris's dad's truck over there. We've got my truck over there. We're actually gonna be borrowing Chris's dad's truck today because, well, we've got a something that I get asked a lot about, and something that I think we should really kind of bring some light to is, you know, when you lift a truck, obviously you got to make some sacrifices. And one of the biggest things that people ask about is turning radius. What happens to the turning radius of your truck? So I figure, let's get as many variations of trucks as we can, and let's just do a full-blown turning radius test. So being that none of us own stock trucks anymore, and it's getting really hard to find somebody with a stock truck because everybody's modifying them, we found the closest truck to stock that we could find, which would be Chris's dad's truck. It is just leveled on 33s? Yeah. On 33s. By the way, Chris, say hi.
What's up? I got you a present.
You got me a present?
I did.
What'd you give me? Hold on. What? Wow, this is a strange turn of events, everybody. He's digging deep for this.
Here you go. It's kind of hard writing my name when I'm driving. Sorry guys.
So, for everybody that's wondering, and I know it's been asked a lot, yes, Chris's new one showed up. He got it installed. Do you forgive me, buddy?
No, I still don't.
No? What are you gonna do with that one? Are you gonna mount that bad boy?
It's yours.
No, it's yours, man. I remember I wrote sorry, Dmaxryno on it.
I didn't get you a birthday present here.
Oh, thanks, buddy. I don't know what to do. Well, I guess we can mount this on the wall. We should send it to somebody. Does anybody want a Chris signed light or a Dmaxryno crossed out light? Or not light, mirror? So obviously that truck being a 1500 probably already turns a little bit better than a stock 2500, but we're gonna be bringing another 2500 with somebody that I think you guys all know. We're gonna all go meet up in a parking lot right now. We're gonna get real scientific on a turning radius test between stock and a couple different variations of lifted trucks and different setups. So you ready, buddy?
Let's roll.
What sauce does he have?
He has a MagnaFlow.
He's got the MagnaFlow?
Yeah.
And he's got the sweet Work For It sticker. WorkForItApparel.com. Speed pull.
Speed pull.
Speed pull.
That's cute.
So we made it to the parking lot. We're going to be doing this scientific test in. I mean, two of us made it to this parking lot. We're still waiting on our third to show up. Looks like the third amigo has arrived. Oh yeah, squeeze it right on in the middle. All right guys, so now that our third amigo has made it here, we've officially got what I would say is a pretty a nice variety. So we're gonna give you the specs real quick on each truck, and then from there, we're gonna show you guys kind of our test course and how we're gonna really gauge the turning radius of these trucks. This is what the truck community is all about, right? Eddie's almost got to jump.
My arm is cramping over here. I can't do it no more.
Well, it's sitting on Fox Shocks 2.0s. It's just a leveling kit. Levels it 2 inches. The tire size is 33-inch tires. That's about it.
Great work, buddy.
Thanks.
CST lift, it's a 3 to 6 inch lift. It's set to 5 in the back, 6 in the front on 37s, 20x9, 37, 13, 50, 20-inch rims. My steering is not that bad. You know, I can turn pretty good compared to like when I drove Ryan's truck. Well, you guys will find out here, but.
Now, for my truck, obviously the biggest and probably worst turning truck out of everybody here. So on this one, we are running a custom-built 12-inch coilover conversion setup. As you guys know, these trucks, the 2500s, do not come with coilovers. So I contacted Bulletproof, and they made me a custom coilover kit for this truck because I had their torsion lift kit on my other truck, also a 12-inch in the ride. It felt like a 12-inch lifted truck. So on this one, I decided I want to go coilovers. I'm going for a smoother ride, and well, that's what we got. So we've got a 12-inch coilover kit. We are running
40 by 15.5, and we got 24s on them right now. I got another set of 22s.
This cone right here is going to signify when we initiate our turn. So we're going to be coming down the road from here. The second we get to this cone, we're going to initiate a left-hand turn, and we're going to swing it on over. And we're going to judge just on a big radius, basically like you were making a U-turn, which truck turns better, or more so just to show you the turning radius of the different variations of lifts. All right, so first up we got Chris in the level truck on 33s. Whenever you're ready, buddy, send her on down and hook a turn over at the cone. Oh my God.
Yeah. You jealous?
That's impressive.
You jealous? You jealous?
Yeah. Why do we bring it? That's like,
We should have just stuck to our trucks. Yeah. All right, so next up we got Eddie, 5-inch lift on 37s. That's not bad. That's not bad, buddy.
that's pretty close.
That's not bad.
With Ryan's truck, we don't care what kind of lift it is. Obviously, we don't want to win.
It's not about winning or losing, guys. Here goes nothing.
Is he driving so slow?
Is he really turning?
I mean,
Oh my God. What? Dude. Are you sure he turned all the way? I don't think he turned all the way.
I mean,
Listen, I don't think you turn. I think you gotta do that one more time.
what?
I think you have to do that one more time because I don't think you turned all the way.
Oh no, that was
Fully turned all the way.
That's fully locked.
You sure? I mean, maybe.
Oh, no.
You want us to give you another chance? We'll let you hug the cone just a little.
I almost
more.
took the cone out. That's how close I was to the
Well,
cone.
you had like another, I'd say, 6 inches. You know.
That
if you-
was-
wait. We'll give you another try.
Yeah, I'm okay.
Give him another. Yeah, let's give him another try because if that's the case, wow. Got it. Got this. Cut it. That's as close to the cone as you get.
Oh my goodness. What is that?
I think that was worse.
So in my old truck, I could successfully make a U-turn on about a 3-lane wide road. It was no big deal. So really the first time I've really driven this truck was in Vegas, and we pulled up to a 4-lane wide road. Now mind you, that's 4 on each side, so that's 8-lane total. And we're looking at it and I'm like, I don't know, man. I don't know if we can make this U-turn. And we ended up like straight almost at the curb. It's got a pretty wide tracking width. There's no doubt about that. Obviously this is a one-off kit. There may be able to make some tweaks and improvements because my old truck with the other coilover, or not coilover kit, bulletproof, just standard kit, turned a lot better than this truck.
All right, so for this test, we're simulating the cone is a car. You're trying to pull out of a parking spot. Chris is gonna go first here. There's a car there. You can't clip that car.
Dude.
You gotta get back in there. There's a car there.
No, you just, dude, look at the front fender. You just crushed it.
Yeah, that doesn't count. Bring it
Yeah,
back. Well, we lost Chris.
Where did Chris?
So we told Chris to come in and redo it. And then he just took off. You can
Where's he
see him.
going?
He's way down there. I guess he's going to switch his truck out already and not. All right, Eddie, let's do a real test here because Chris doesn't know what's going on. So we're gonna have that cone now. Now that cone is the car sitting there. All right, buddy, whenever you're ready, pull on out of that parking spot. Don't hit the Lamborghini. Uh-oh. All right, back it up. You got it. Let's see. 2-point is still better than a 20-point. I think you got it, buddy. Oh, yeah. No problem.
Here he goes. Keep coming, keep coming, keep coming. Stop, you're gonna hit the Prius.
Keep going.
Go backwards, keep going. Keep going, keep going. Stop. You're gonna hit the Ferrari. You hit the cone?
You hit the car on this side.
Oh, keep coming, keep coming. Nope, stop. Not gonna do it. Keep going. Stop. You're gonna hit the car. No, you don't. You took out their windshield. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Oh, oh, crap. Sorry, Ryan. Oh, just get rid of the evidence. Get rid of the evidence. You're good. You're good, dude. You're good.
Rock. It was a rock.
What the hell did I go break down? That, okay, Ryan, that was not my fault. I was standing right there. You're good, buddy. You're good. Hey, I didn't see that. Did you see those?
Nope.
Okay.
See what?
I don't know. Did they break? Let's look at him while he's over there. Let me see. I think they're still good. Oh, crap. Wait, those are not the new ones I just gave him, right?
I think they are.
Those
No.
are the new ones I just gave him?
No, they're not.
They're the old ones.
I think. I don't
Okay.
know.
I don't know, Chris. I put a little.
All right.
I put a little closer because. Oh, actually, no. Yeah, you're right. You're right. That's good.
We're
That's
talking Prius.
good. Yeah. Okay.
Ready?
We're ready. Here he goes. Yeah, keep going. Keep going. You know, so this all depends on, I guess, if a truck is parked here, there's no way in hell he'll be able to get out.
That's a motorcycle.
Oh, it's a motor. Okay, so since the motorcycle is parked there, then he's clear. You're good to go.
So I mean, I guess it does make more sense to turn out that way, but I was kind of mimicking it as if we had straight parking spots and we would have to turn out one way or the other. But we'll test it both ways. Whoa, guy!
Oh my!
Whoa! No, dude! That was his car!
Oh, my car! That wasn't me. I'm so sorry. Here's my insurance. It wasn't me. I think you're on the line. It's not my fault.
Oh, like butter.
Oh yeah!
You impressed?
I'm impressed.
All right, buddy, let's see what your truck's got. Well, first we gotta get Chris in the parking spot, right? You're almost in it.
You're on top of the Prius behind you.
You're close.
Keep coming. Keep coming.
You're a little out of an angle, but all right, I'll watch this side and make sure he doesn't take out anybody.
No, he's clear on this side.
Ooh, he would have cut it close over here, but I think he's all right. I think he's all right. All right, buddy.
That better?
That was better. Good work, man.
Thanks.
I know. Let me pull that. I don't know about the donut, but that sure looked like it was coming right at me.
So now that Chris brought his truck back, he wants to get in on the action and see how tight his truck turns. So we got him all set back up here on the course. Handle it, buddy. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Eddie's truck was right here.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, I think wasn't mine closer?
Yeah. Eddie, go grab yours.
I'm on it.
Uh-oh. You guys might be in the same territory now. He's still wide.
Oh, dirty man. Wait.
Uh-oh.
Wait.
I think I got him beat.
I think you got him beat. I don't know when this became a competition. This was more for scientific research, Chris. Yes. But we'll give it to you, bro. We'll give you the trophy, buddy. You got the best
I don't know.
turning radius of us lifted trucks.
What? I got that.
No. Come sight down the trucks.
What?
Uh-oh. Yep.
No. I think Chris didn't hug the cone as good as I did, though. That's
Oh shit,
why.
you're 3 feet out from the cone. Watch out, man. All right, guys. Well, hopefully you enjoyed our scientific test. Clearly, as you can see, obviously different lift kits are going to be different. It was not a competition, Chris. This was strictly scientific.
Trophy.
Right here. Here's your trophy. Ta-da! So obviously, different lift kits are going to they're going to have different track widths. So if I were you and you were really concerned about it, obviously, for the most part, if you're gonna lift your truck, you're not super concerned about it. And if you keep your truck lifted practically, like both of these trucks are, your turning radius isn't gonna be that affected. Now, obviously, if you do like I did and you go 12-inch, you've kind of already thrown practicality out the window. So while it sucks that my turning radius is the way it is, I'm gonna get really used to it. What are you doing, dude? These guys. Being that your turning radius is the way it is, you think it's worth it?
To lift it?
Yep.
Oh yeah, of course. I mean, the ride's better, the handling's better. I mean, there's honestly, like people say, oh, lifting trucks, you know, it sucks. The ride's disgusting. It's horrible. It's a lot of top and this and blah 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 and all these excuses. This thing actually being lifted on 37s rides way better than a stock Denali. I would go with my lift or Chris's lift.
I won. Go with my lift. BDS.
Yeah, well, here's the problem with BDS, because I was gonna go with BDS. The problem with BDS is they can only go with a 0 or negative offset rim. So I didn't want that. I went right there with a plus 18 offset. If I go 0 or negative, it's gonna stick way out.
Here's one thing to also keep in mind. All the lift kits you see here, and the reason everybody's talking about how good the ride is these are all higher end lift kits. These aren't your rough countries, these aren't your Pep Boys zone special lifts. Not that those won't lift your truck up, but your ride quality is going to be severely compromised if you use a lower end lift kit. It's up to you. You know, obviously we all got to kind of work within our budgets and get what we can get. But if you're going to go lift your truck 6 inches or 12 inches and your ride sucks, it's usually the lift kit. It's not because of the height that you went. Like I said, these trucks all ride amazing, especially when you consider them being lifted. All right, guys, so with that, we're gonna wrap up this video. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please click the subscribe button now so you don't miss any more comparison videos now that we've got all these trucks to kind of do a bunch of comparison stuff for you, show you a bunch more cool content. And if you guys have something you want to see, leave it down in the comments and then we'll try and make the video for you. Don't forget to give Eddie's channel a subscribe also. I'll put that link down in the info, Eddie's Life. Don't forget to follow our good buddy Chris here on Instagram at cbailey619 because he doesn't have a YouTube channel yet.
I think, yeah, I was thinking, Chris, why don't we get you a YouTube channel?
Maybe.
Might as well.
Maybe.
What do you think? You guys want to see Chris have a YouTube channel?
This video gets 100,000 likes.
Holy moly, that's a lot of likes.
You guys got a lot of work to do, but let's make it happen because I really want this guy to get a YouTube channel. Also, don't forget to check out WORKFORITapparel.com because I don't normally wear hats forwards, but if there's anything you want in this life, nice trucks, sweet gold chain, amazing physique.
Looking at, yeah, my physique. Okay, I thought that's what
You got to be willing to work for it. So as always, guys, we're gonna end this video. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate that you guys give me this platform to bring all my friends along with as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. Who wants it?
Oh, you know how we gotta do it. Peace.
Roll Dmaxryno, not
Roll the.
Sorry, guys. Sorry. Roll the outro.
Damn.